In this video, we will be installing Eclipse on our Windows machines. Eclipse is an IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment. An integrated development environment is a tool which helps us write code in a more efficient way. You can write your code using normal editors like Notepad or Notepad++ also. But an IDE is the most efficient way of writing code. There are many IDEs available in the market like NetBeans or IntelliJ IDEA. But we will be using Eclipse for this course. If you want to use some other IDE, you can use that too. So let's begin. To do that, we will first fire up a Chrome tab, and in the search bar, we will type Eclipse. You should see a search result from eclipse.org. Over here, click on download. And on this page, just scroll down a bit and you will see download x86_64. Click on that. And then click on download. And your download should begin. Since we have already downloaded the installer on this machine, I will cancel the download. Once your installer is downloaded, go to the folder where you have downloaded your installer and then double click on it. Now, once the installer begins, you need to select IDE, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java Developers. It will ask you for your location where to install. Just click on Install, accept the agreement, and let the installation finish. And there you have it, we have installed Eclipse IDE on our Windows machine. Click on Launch. Now, in this page, it will ask you to set up your workspace. Basically, you have to set up a folder which will contain all your Java projects in one place. Right now, the default is set to your users folder and Eclipse workspace. I will keep it default and then click on Launch. Once you see this page, that means you have successfully installed Eclipse on your Windows machine. First things what we will have to do is click on Window, Perspective, open Perspective and then select Java. And there you have it. We have successfully installed Eclipse on our Windows machine. See you in next video.